Hello, Dr. Firdaus Muhammad Yusuf. I'm Kalpana Perisami, the director of Team 2. We're here to present our report on awareness campaign of domestic waste, which is used cooking oil. Okay, let me introduce my team members. Team members is Yusin Khalid, Muhammad Adib Musin, Rashida Nurul Nazira, Mio Muhammad Iqmal, Nurul Hidayah, Az Zahira, and Nur Najwa. Okay, this is our organization chart. The advisor for our organization is Dr. Fidaus Muhammad Yusuf, and the director of this team is has myself, Kalpana Perisami, and the assistant director of this team is Rashida. The secretary of this team is Az Zahira, with her assistants Muhammad Adib Musin and Nurul Hidayah. For the multimedia part, the leader of the multimedia is Mio Muhammad Iqmal, with his assistants Nur Najwa, Nurul Nazira, and Hussein Khalid.
Outcome of awareness campaign on domestic waste. As our prediction, participants in general had joined and bring the campaign to end successfully. Moreover, they have gained a lot of idea on how dispose domestic waste, use cooking oil through our activity for this project. We have developed public service announcement, which is also known as media social like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Our post to help grow awareness among all these people regarding this project had reached the participant, where all the participants had answered the Google form that we have posted on social media. We constantly post to show our determination to create a new way of people thinking for all people regarding of dispose of used cooking oil.
Hi, my name is Nur Nazira binti Muhammad Razif. My metric number is S55871. This is our Instagram page. We have post videos and posters in this page for 3 days. On day 1, which is 16 May 2021, we have post a video about our director, tell about our project, our objective project, and issue project.
Next, on day 2, poster to meet by multimedia team was released into various platform social media such as WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. A second video also was released on the same time as the poster. The second video content was about the proper or correct way to dispose used cooking oil. The second video was also released on the same platform as the poster, which is WhatsApp, Telegram, and also Instagram.
Finally, on the last day of the campaign, a video about the significance of the awareness have been released, and we also asked the participant to fill up the second Google form to collect the data about their knowledge in our campaign. We also told them about the advantages from our project to the environment and also the impact of it. The campaign was done successfully, and we are glad that the goal of our campaign has been done perfectly.
The first video is about wrong way of disposal used cooking oil that we have doing right now. So the effect cooking oil to environment will harm the aquatic life, will cause clogging of the pipes, can cause soil contamination, and also effect on groundwater and runoff water. Second video have show how to store used cooking oil. First step, we store properly and choose correct container. For example, a reused plastic bottle of cooking oil. The second step is contact a household hazardous waste disposal company. Remember, we must contact the illegal company only. Okay. Benefit that we get from this prevent is keep it from polluting soil and water. Second is eliminates the risk of harming the environment. Third, can reduce health problem to human. And the last one is lower cost of drainage, repair, and cleanup. Another benefit that also we can get is consumer can generate side income from this disposal.
For the awareness campaign, 3 different posters were made. The first poster shows steps for cooking oil disposal. In this poster, it shows in three steps how the cooking oil can be safely disposed. The second poster is about practice proper cooking oil disposal. In this poster, it shows what not to do, such as not pouring it down the sink, not flushing it down the toilet, and also not throwing it in the garbage can. And for the last poster was showing the effects of cooking oil on businesses. In this poster, we give some examples of what happens when we flush down the cooking oil down the drain. These include clogging water treatment plants, an increased drainage maintenance cost, and in some cases, the cooking oil becomes a fire hazard which can lead to human injuries. The three different posters were made to the theme behind it being making it simple so that the audience can understand the message we are trying to relay and so that they can take these points and then enforce it in a meaningful way.
The day before our program was held, we gave a Google form with 3 questions to the respondents. Providing a Google form before the program is intended to identify the level of awareness of domestic waste by respondents. As can be seen through question 1, only 87% of respondents are confident that aquatic life can be saved by disposing of domestic waste in a proper way. 8% say no and 5% were unsure of it. It is concluded that the level of public confidence in saving aquatic life from pollution still does not reach a percentage that can be proud of. For question 2, it was found that there are still many respondents who do not know the main factors of domestic waste. Lack of disclosure on key factors regarding domestic waste can be identified and seen. 50% say broken smartphone and 10% say robotic parts. And for question 3, respondents confident in the benefit of disposing process to the earth did not reach a good percentage of 37%, where respondents' exposure to disposing process is still weak, seeing that as many as 41% say no and 22% say maybe on the good effect of disposing process on the earth. It can be concluded that the level of knowledge of respondents on the disposing process has not yet reached a good percentage.
So, after the program that are being held from 16 to 18 May, we have received many positive feedback from the people who are joining the campaign. Feedback from this campaign are collected using Google Form after the program ends. Most of the respondents of this program are students from various universities across Malaysia such as KPJ International College Johor Bahru, Polytechnic Melaka, and mostly of them are from University Malaysia Terengganu. After this program reach its end, we can see that most of them have know about what actually the meaning of the domestic waste. This is so important for the people who are joining this program because it is the root in solving the domestic waste problem that we are facing in Malaysia. Understanding of domestic waste will also help the people to manage them wisely in the correct way. Most of them also know the difference between the domestic waste and the other different type of waste. This is the good thing because most of the people in the rest of the world assume that all the waste are the same. They will also surely know how to apply the things that they have learned in the program into their real life. This shows that they have grown their awareness about the domestic waste in their life.